Ano pangalan mo?
Danmarkian po.
And is that where you're from, or are you... Stop it! Denmark, ilang taon ka na?
15 po.
15! What are they feeding you there? Na paano ka tumutulong sa pamilya mo?
Yung nanay ko po kasi ay nagtitinda po ng pagkain sa palengke tuwing madaling araw po. And gusto ko pong tumulong sa kanila gamit po yung pagtulong ko po, kunyari sa pagbibigay ko po sa mga customers po ng kutsara at ketchup po. And gusto ko po silang tulungan dahil po sa sakripisyo pong ginagawa nila sa akin.
Nice. Very nice. What a good boy. Denmark, I love your voice. I know that you can do much better. But I hear potential in your voice. I almost didn't press it. But I could hear something that I can work with.
I salute Coach Martin for turning for you. Because you deserve to be on the show. You do have that instrument. It's a powerful, big voice. So you have that. And you're in the right genre. So you're with the right coach. So congratulations sa'yo, Denmark.
Thank you po.
Ang galing nga nito eh. Alam niya na yung mga paraanan niya eh, na para wala siyang kalaban. Saglit na lang, pag-explainin mo naman ako. Parang alam niya na para wala siyang kalaban. Kunwari hindi siya pipindot, tapos last minute gano'n.
Naman.
Oo. Mautak, magaling
Kaya
mapagmasid.
siya ng dinig ko.
Oo. Pero ako, hindi ko na sasabihin kung bakit hindi ako umikot. Kasi nung umikot na din si Sir Martin, parang, okay, tama, it makes sense.
It makes a lot of
Bagay ka
sense.
kay Sir Martin. Excited ako makita kung ano pa mga tuturo sa'yo ni Coach Martin. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Yeah.
Denmark, welcome to Marteam. I hope this is good.
Denmark!
Denmark team. Let's see if this will
Denmark team.
look good on you. Let's see, all right? Hold on. All right. Just helping you out. Looks good, Denmark.
Don't hurt him.
Yeah! Denmark team! You ready to work? We gotta control that. You have a very strong gift. Denmark,